I know what you're thinking. This is not a Four Seasons. It has a Four Seasons shell, but it is in fact a Delta. Delta just with a Four Seasons faceplate. Not sure if you can see the tag. I'm trying to read the viewfinder. There you go. Delta, model number 40666. 4 standing for Four Seasons, and 0 being the second digit of 10, which 10 means Delta, and 6 being the finish code, which is antique white as seen here. This originally had an bright brass K4S on it. But I pulled this switch cap and K1 off of my 1985 antique white Four Seasons. The K4S will go to a white and brass Cambridge I have on my parts pile, and its switch cap will go to the 1985 Four Seasons. The system works. This is one of those weird things that they did. This, however, was actually in the catalog. There were some things like the Turbo Zephyr or those weird 1985 Alpine Slumber Quiet things, or the Zephyr 3, those short-lived models that were not in the catalog, but this was, and I think it was only in the 1984 catalog, but I could be mistaken. I think it looks a lot better with this. If I didn't already say, this light shade, the globe, came off of my Dusty Rose Delta 2. The Dusty Rose did not have an authentic light, so I just took the entire light off, and here's the globe. This is basically what collectors would refer to as a kitchen fan, or a grandma fan or something. It does look like that. And I tried to be authentic with the pull chains. You can see one is a tassel, the other is a pendant. For a short time, Casablanca did that until they switched to all pendants and discontinued the tassel option. I don't know if this runs into that time when they discontinued the tassels. I don't remember. But I think it looks pretty good. I kind of wish the tassel was orange and not mustard yellowish green, but you can't get everything. This has an Asterson motor which packs a punch. Excellent bearings on this thing. The light globe is also not authentic, but it's what I had, and it does look really nice. I love the pattern on it. It's a beautiful pattern. Often see these, although the collector who I bought this from has 4 of them right now. There is my Delta Seasons. Hope you enjoyed.